Bad news for Intel Mac users. macOS 26 is coming, but it might leave your MacBook behind. Is your device on the chopping block? Stick around to find out. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news HQ. Let's dive into the macOS 26 rumors. Apple's gearing up for macOS 26, likely named after the stunning Lake Tahoe. But here's the kicker. Rumors are swirling that more Intel Macs are getting the boot. Apple's been phasing out Intel chips since the M1 revolution, and macOS 26 could be the final nail in the coffin for some fan-favorite models. According to sources, the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro with 2 Thunderbolt ports might not get macOS 26. Why? It's rocking an older 8th gen Intel chip, same as the 2018 MacBook Pro, which is also rumored to lose support. Other casualties include the 2020 Intel MacBook Air and 2017 iMac Pro, but the 2020 MacBook Pro with 4 Thunderbolt posts? That one's safe thanks to its 10th gen chip. So, which Macs are making the cut? Here's the rumored lineup: MacBook Air M1 or later, MacBook Pro 2020 with 4 Thunderbolt ports or later, iMac 2020 or later, Mac Mini M1 or later, Mac Pro 2019 or later, and all Mac Studio models. If you're on an M1 or newer, you're golden. Intel users, time to check your model. With Apple going all in on Apple Silicon, older Intel Macs are getting left behind. If your Mac doesn't make the macOS 26 list, you might miss out on new features, security updates, and more. This could also spark questions about other 2019 or 2020 Intel models. Will they survive? Stay tuned for updates. macOS 26 is set to bring a sleek new experience, but only for supported devices. If you're still rocking an Intel Mac, it might be time to plan an upgrade to keep with Apple's future. The M1 era is here to stay, and it's only getting better. Is your Mac safe for macOS 26? Drop your model in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and ring the bell for the latest tech scoops.